guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Kristen. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning, starting with the living room area. Then I'm going to move over to the kitchen, and I'm going to be reorganizing my refrigerator as well as the pantry, and then on over to the dining area. But if you're new here and you want to stick around, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, leave a comment below. I love hearing you guys' feedback. So I'm still using my vacuum that I recently purchased from Target. However, I do want to try a carless vacuum, but I'm scared to get one because the reviews say that they don't last long, the charge doesn't last long. If you guys know of any good carless vacuum, can you comment below and let me know what's your preference or what's your choice of a good carless vacuum? have been meaning to clean out my refrigerator and get it all organized for well over a month now. So I'm glad that I'm finally getting around to doing it. You won't believe when you go through your fridge how many junk you have inside of your fridge. Things that's just taking up space, and it's just crazy. I did purchase some refrigerator storage bin from Ross as well as from Walmart, which I'm going to show later on in my video. Going to be seeing me use Dawn and vinegar to disinfect and clean my refrigerator storage bin as well as the shelves. I swear by vinegar and Dawn. I use it to clean my showers, my tubs, my sinks, my dishwasher. It does the job and it does it very well. Okay, so for some reason we had more than one ketchup bottle in the fridge, which was taking up a lot of space. So I'm just going to take that ketchup and place it into one bottle, which is this big bottle you see me here placing the ketchup into. And then I'm going to take my bins that I got from Walmart and organize it by condiments to coffee creamer, which is a great idea because I wanted to free up the door shelves with all these condiments inside of it. So I'm going to be placing like A1 sauce, honey mustard, sour cream in one bin, and then in the other bin I'm going to take my coffee creamer and the kids' chocolate syrup, which they make chocolate milk with that, and their caramel, and I'm going to place that in another bin, and it's going to free up all that space in the door, which gives me more room to place like Capri Suns and drinks and just make it more neater. So I ended up purchasing these refrigerator storage bin from Walmart as well as for Ross. Walmart, they have 4 bins for $17.99, and then at Ross they had different sizes of refrigerator bins, storage bins ranging from $3.99 to about $5.99. So I got the package from Walmart as well as some from Ross, and these bins ended up working like a champ. I love the way my fridge looked when it was all finished. When it was all said and done, they were just beautiful and just perfect. I like the bins more at Ross than I did at Walmart, because at Ross you have a different variety of sizes that you can choose from. You can mix and match. I also got these glass container lids, storage lids from Ross as well. It was 3 for $4.99 or $5.99. So here you can see I'm just washing off my fruits and I'm going to place them into those glass container lid, which worked out like a champ because it saved space inside of the fridge, as well as my kids. They love fruit and this was just easy access for them and they really loved it. I got these 2 jar container from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I thought it would be nice to get them to place my shredded cheese inside. That way I don't have all these bags inside of my fridge storage bin, and it makes it look way more neater. I don't know why I never thought of this before, but this is actually a good idea. Okay, so right here I'm placing carrot sticks inside of a snack Ziploc bag for my kids. I thought it would be a good idea to create a healthy snack bin. I have 5 kids ranging from 14 to 1, and sometimes they just want to eat the unhealthy food and they don't want to really grab the healthy food. So I thought it would be a good idea to put the healthy food all in one place. I'm putting carrots, I'm putting ranch dressing. I found these little containers that I from the Dollar Tree that I place ranch dressing in for the carrot sticks. I'm putting cucumbers inside of this healthy snack bin, and my kids absolutely love it because it's easy for them to just go in the fridge and just grab a healthy snack, especially my little girl. So I thought this was a hit and a great idea. So this is how everything looked after being placed in the refrigerator storage bins. I absolutely love it. It's really organized, and time to get it into the fridge. So this is what my fridge looked like after I placed everything into the fridge and I organized it. I absolutely loved it. It was a big hit with my kids, especially my 14-year-old. She was just so excited and said, "Mom, you did a great job." So that made me feel really great. And the healthy snack bin was such a hit. So we are on our journey to become homeowners, and for right now, we are currently renting, and I just have to say I absolutely hate this pantry. It is so tiny, and my stuff is just all over the place. It's so hard to even organize this pantry, and I'm glad that today I'm taking the time out to just work on it and get it looking more neat, more clean, more organized. So the black bins that I'm going to be using, I got them from Target, a pack of 4 for $19.99. They are really good bins, and they are wide so you can fit a lot of things inside of it, and they really came in handy. It's a really good deal at Target. So this is the finished look of the pantry, all organized and neat. It is mix matching on the bins because I did reuse some of my bins that I got from the Dollar Tree, but eventually I'll go back to Target and get those bins that I was telling you about earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you lots of motivation, and if it did, please give me a thumbs up and comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. Until next time, guys, stay lovely, stay blessed, love y'all.